So now in this video we'll see how we can connect to the instances that we have created recently. So we have two options. One, we can give directly connect from our command prompt using the code that is given in the example, that is SSH-I. So these commands should be run from the same folder where the PEM file is stored. So if it is not stored in that folder, you will get an error. Apart from that, you can even connect it using your Putty or any other stuff. So I'm using the similar SSH terminal here. So this is one of the SSH clients. So I'm just getting connected to the server, and your username is Ubuntu. So this is the output. So if at all you see the usage is 4.2% of 29 GB. If at all you remember, we have created a 30 GB of space and your memory usage is 16%, and you'll get all the other stuff here, and your Ubuntu is 18.04 version. So since this and we have 76 packages and 50 updates. So since this is the first time we are logging into our server, we need to update the server so that all things get updated to the latest version, all the softwares and all the other stuffs. So for that, the code would be sudo apt-get update. This will update your applications to the latest version, and then it is done. So once it is done, currently you will be in the Ubuntu folder, that is a folder under users. So if at all you come back, it will be your home and then back. So if at all you see, this is the exact folders that is present currently in your server. So you can say that this is a root architecture. So you will be having the files called folders called boot or var and other stuff. In this same path, we will be installing Apache or PHP or MySQL, whatever we need it, and other applications like Python or Java that is required for our application to run in the server. So in this folder, if at all you are hosting any .html file websites or any WordPress websites or any Joomla websites or any other WordPress related or PHP related frameworks, it will be done under VAR folder. So you will be copying all those things here. So I'll also show you how to upload the files to your server or download the files to your server. So for that, you can use any other applications or softwares available on the online depending on your OS that you are currently working on. So you can go with CyberDuck or you can go with Cross FTP, which gets connected using your SSH key or PEM file. So currently I have logged in using one of those things. So this thing takes my SSH key, that is private keys. So I need to enter the password that I have created while creating the file, and these are the folders that is in the server currently. So if at all you see in the users, you will be having all this stuff, like you can go to games or you can go to var folder where you will have the cache logs and all those other stuffs, and errors or the logs you can find it in the log folder, and cache like application cache and all everything will be in this folder. So you can see depending on your requirements. So this is how you will connect to your instance. In the next video we'll see, sorry, in the next video we'll see how to install Apache and all the other stuff if you wanted to host a normal HTML website or you wanted to host a WordPress website. Along with that, we'll also come to know about how load balancers work and what's the importance of load balancer and what is a load balancer. How many kinds of load balancers do we have, and what kind of load balancers do AWS provides to us, and what kind which can be selected for our project depending on the requirements.